Hi everyone. This is Jason. Basically would like to share about this oil and what counter gonna be focused for this 1 to 2 weeks. Okay. Let me go through that crude oil. Where are we now? Typically, that crude oil is went through that complete wave one, two, right, and three, four, okay, and five. Okay, and now it's enter into the collection wave, which is A, B, and C. So then C is how much it can go as long as the concern we have is like I do read couple of email and some articles saying that that oil cannot be reached by 60 this year. Typically, I think it should not be problem to reach. I would say it's probably beyond to this $60 by this year. Why I'm saying so? Let me go through with you guys. Okay, now you're looking at this oil, right? Which is I'm saying that now we are in the wave C. Is as far as the concern is like how far you can go. By looking at this yellow wave projection, right? The wave C is how far you can go. Typically, I use like projection, right? Yellow wave projection is like it's likely will go to this probably like by how I call this uh this coming May, right? It should reach about 63. It's worst come to worst, right? So I think probably let me do some sort of like another level projection, and it should reach at least, right? Yeah. So at least $60, right? By probably likely on the worst case is end of November. Okay, so this is my projection. Okay, now we look at the shorter term, right? Shorter term, right? And where is the oil will go? Okay, now and as you can refer to this chart pattern, right? As I'm saying just now, we say we are in the either wave for wave three, right? Wave C, right? A, B, and C. Now you look at this internal structure, right? It's forming couple of like wave three as well. Now and this is one. Let me draw this battle for you. Okay, this is C, right? Okay, now I going to unfold this battle, make it smaller. Look at this, right? Okay, now as I'm saying this sound, this A, right? This B, and this C is coming to here, and here order another one. Okay, right, two and three is on the way of making. Okay, you see, they have another wave degree of making, and this is one, and this two, right? This three, and four is here, right? And five is could be here. Okay, now we have like kind of like three positive wave degree impulse wave heading to north, right? So, and I would say that a smaller wave degree, right? A little bit kind of complicated. It could be. Let me show you something like now. It could be like go wave three is another kicking in instead of wave five. Remember here suppose is five. Okay, it could be a three now. I know either wave curve or very subjectively depend on individual curve calculation, right? It's a one, two, right? This is three, you see? This is four, right? This is five. Now, this is five, after five, right? This is like A, B, and C. This is one, and this two. You see? And together we have a three wave degrees heading to north, right? This three. Now this is another smaller one and two, and this is another three is coming up. So in a nutshell, I think we have like a four wave degree heading to north, okay, and it's going to be kind of very bullish. And the question is like some of our friend is trading forex and CFD, right? I do long RA, and in fact I did highlight it in some of the group, right? Last Friday, right? Monday is a collection on the RA, and Tuesday is a heading should be kicking on the impulse waving up, right? So and the question is what stock I selected, which is like the it is which I'm picked to buy. Okay, I will share now why I'm picked this stock. Okay, now this is a rich rich stock, right? And you look at here, this is one, two, right? This is three, this is four, this is five, and then we complete the wave one here, right? Okay, and this is like A, right? This is B, and this is C, and this is another two, right? Okay, this is one, this is two, and three is kinking up, going to be up here. And how far it can go? Question, right? Based on my projection, right? That minimum target for this movement, okay, in terms of the big trend is like at least like going to be sustained extent, okay, and of course along the way up we should face some sort like I would say the resistance, right? Right, the first resistance we should see likely will be at 67 and a half, right? Now we traded at a support which is a 64 and 64 half, and I think it's a very good opportunity for us to buy along this way, right? This is a big good opportunity for us to buy because oil is going to be a booming, right, for this coming year. It's a commodity year, right? One is a trade above this 67 and half, then we will be challenged 70 for two half and 74 half. When you break above this, you're going to trace about 78. So when it's reached about 78, right, sky is the limit. I think minimum target will go to 89 cent. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Good night. Hi. Thanks for watching my video. If you would like to have first-hand information, so I'm suggesting you to like my Facebook, okay, by clicking a like on, then followed by enable this following mode, right, which is from to see first, right? Click on the see first. Normally you can see original is default, but you can click to the see first, and the notification, right, you click on it instead of all on or off, right? You click to all on. So on top of that, I have a couple of avenue for you to get my update, right? For instance, just like what I'm saying just now, you can search a KLC technical analysis, right? Can lie on us, right? Right, enable the see first, then to enable all on, okay? And if you are in a mobile phone, right, basically you can click like and followed by following, change from the default, right, to see first, right? So click on the see first. And I also create the avenue in the YouTube because of Facebook sometimes that video not that clear, so that you can follow my YouTube by subscribe, and also by clicking the turn on subscription, so that whenever I release a YouTube, you can have the information. Thank you.